At the end of the video, there is a free gift for you. It's a quality business plan template that will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot. Starting a Qnet business requires careful consideration and planning. Qnet, a direct selling company, offers various products in different sectors such as wellness, luxury, technology, and more. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started. 1. Research. Take the time to thoroughly research Qnet's business model, products, compensation plan, and policies. Understand the company's values, mission, and the market it operates in. 2. Understand direct selling. Familiarize yourself with the concept of direct selling and the legal regulations governing it in your country or region. Direct selling involves selling products directly to consumers outside of a traditional retail setting. 3. Choose your products. Qnet offers a wide range of products across different categories. Choose the products that resonate with you and align with your interests and expertise. Consider the demand for these products in your target market. 4. Join Qnet. Contact a registered Qnet independent representative, IR, in your area or visit the official Qnet website to sign up as an independent representative. You may need to provide some personal information and agree to abide by Qnet's policies and procedures. 5. Attend training. Qnet often provides training and support for its independent representatives. Attend training sessions, webinars, and seminars offered by Qnet to learn about the products, sales techniques, and business strategies. 6. Develop a business plan. Create a business plan outlining your goals, target market, marketing strategies, sales tactics, and financial projections. Set realistic targets and milestones to measure your progress. 7. Build your network. Direct selling relies heavily on building relationships and networks. Utilize your existing social circle and expand your network by attending events, joining online communities, and engaging with potential customers. 8. Promote your business. Use various marketing channels to promote your Qnet business, such as social media, websites, blogs, and offline events. Highlight the benefits of Qnet's products and the opportunities it offers. 9. Provide excellent customer service. Focus on providing excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty among your customers. Address their queries promptly and ensure timely delivery of products. 10. Stay compliant. Adhere to Qnet's policies and guidelines, as well as local regulations governing direct selling. Maintain transparency and integrity in your business dealings. Starting a Qnet business requires dedication, hard work, and perseverance. Stay committed to your goals and continuously strive to improve your skills and expand your network. Thank you for watching. As we conclude the video, go to the description below this video to get your free business plan template gift. It will guide you through the whole process of starting a business and ensures you start on the right foot.